Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing overlapping effect in Canva. This effect can make your designs look more dynamic and visually appealing. So, let's get started. First, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose your preferred dimensions or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a standard size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Now, navigate to the text bar and enter your desired text design. Adjust the size to fit your layout perfectly. Next, modify the background and text color to complement your design aesthetic. Experiment with different fonts until you find one that enhances your design. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on the Share button and download your creation in PNG format for optimal quality. After downloading, seamlessly integrate your design into your project by dragging and dropping it into the designated upload area. Moving forward, add a new page to your project and resize the image to your existing design. To achieve the overlapping effect, duplicate the text layer from your previous design. Now make another duplicate, resize, and adjust according to your preference. Then, go to the Layers panel and send the duplicated layers backward to overlap with the image. Finally, we make another duplication, then adjust each duplicate layer to achieve the desired effect. This technique adds depth and visual interest to your composition. Now go to Share button and download it in JPG format. Bingo! We did it! Here is the final result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Share it with your family and friends. Stay with us for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.